So it was a great experience for sure. I don't think we would have even imagined of coming to Kumbh unless and until Soil to Soul would have curated such a tour.
Absolutely.
And they took absolutely good care of everything,
Yeah.
right from the starting at the Mumbai airport, the food served right from the flight onwards, and then the darshan at Ayodhya. It was amazing.
Yeah. I don't
In
think
the
I had the courage to come for the Kumbh if it had not been for Soil to Soul. And I think Soil to Soul has spoiled us on this trip. They have really pampered us with the best of facilities. And now we are just going to, like every spiritual trip, I think I'm just going to take with them and nobody else.
we have to keep requesting them to keep adding new destinations. I've already requested Vishal, please do something on Char Dham so that we can do that also. Without them, it's now difficult to take any cultural religious tours.
Yeah.
Ganga Aarti was, I cannot explain it in words. It was a totally divine feeling.
Absolutely.
You were treated, but the lakhs of people, I think, I don't know, it's definitely more than 1.5 lakhs. In those people arranging the right seats for us so that we can have the right enjoyment, doing the Ganga Puja, everything was planned to the T.
It was far more than what we had expected or imagined it to be.
So, frankly speaking, this was our first experience, so I cannot correlate was it better or something better could have been done. This was our first experience with the Kumbh, with the Holy Dip. But looking at the number of people attending Kumbh, I think we did a great job and did not have to wait anywhere, did not get stuck anywhere in a crowd of people.
So, let's put it like this, that he planned it even when things were not, on the brink to be planned. So he planned the unplannable things also.
Oh, definitely. I think the Soil to Soul team should be given a good round of applause from all of us. 3 cheers to the team, Soil to Soul. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray.
Yeah, I think they should continue doing the great work and the great initiative they've taken in the spiritual pilgrimage for everybody, for all age groups. They're doing a wonderful job and they should continue doing it.
So to start with, nothing to compare on experience basis because I've not done anything like this before with a group of such a big group. Friends के साथ गया हूँ but इतने बड़े group में कभी नहीं गया हूँ. So Soil to Soul का experience was different in many ways. One, group. Second, how they managed it. And third, the compatibility that probably each person had with each other during certain moments was different for me. So Ganga Aarti, it was very well organized. Must be minimum 5 to 7 lakhs or maybe more amount of people over there. There were people sitting on the boats and looking at the Ganga Aarti when you're doing puja. And there were people from behind who were shouting to come ahead to see the Ganga Aarti properly. But we got the special treatment by sitting ahead, looking at the Ganga Aarti properly. We would get good photos and videos of everything. So overall, for me, it was a wonderful experience. Couldn't have hoped for better. So I would definitely go back to Bombay and share it with my friends. I would want them to come for such trips. But now it's on every person if they want to go to a spiritual level for such trips. For me personally, I enjoy going to such trips. It gives me that peace of mind that okay, something better can happen in the future. And it gives me the sense of enjoyment also with different people, different group. Overall, as a youngster and for me myself, I enjoyed it a lot.